I will not let others choose my path. This is an oath that is a bit more recent. It's something that came about when I did my 30 days of life reflections. And the story behind this one, to why I feel like I will never let others choose my path for me, is very, very simple. There was a time right before college, high school, senior year, when you have to apply for college. You do all you can to basically get into the college of your dreams, all that stuff. And for me, my mom decided to hire a college counselor. And that was a mistake because what ended up happening was at a certain point when I was working on my college apps and everything like that, the college counselor kind of placed their hand in too deep. Like they made too many decisions regarding like which schools I should pick, what I should be doing, like how I should be writing my essays. They even kind of wrote like parts of my essays for me, almost like pretend like they're ChatGPT, and I kind of just told them like my story and they kind of like wrote some of it for me. Like I feel like that was terrible. Like I felt like that essay is not mine, you know? Like I had that feeling. And I was just like feeling not so great about the whole situation. And then at the end, when I finally got my results back, the school I decided I wanted to go to was UCSD. I'm from California, so San Diego, UC San Diego. And instead, the college counselor convinced me, you're kind of easily convincible when you're a kid, when you're a teenager still, 17, to go to Occidental College instead. And I still enjoyed Occidental College very much. I think it's a good college. Um, the reason why I went there was because the college counselor told me, okay, do the 3-2 program to get into Caltech because that's a great school and you want to be like an engineer. I studied physics in um, Occidental College and I was doing the 3-2 track, but instead of following through, I ended up just graduating in 3 years because I did not like school. I hated it. So I graduated with a physics major and a computer science minor and math minor, and just called it a, I guess, school life. I was just done. Um, but the point is, she decided which school I went to because she pushed for it real hard and convinced me, despite me like saying, yeah, I want to go to UCSD. Like that's my pick. And she's like, wait, before you decide and do that, you should like think about this, and that, and like honestly, you should just go to this school. And I just went with it. Like I was an idiot. Like I didn't choose my path. I didn't stick with what I wanted because of pressure, because of a lot of reasons. But at the end of the day, I let someone else choose my path. And that could have changed a lot of things for me too. But no use thinking about it because I love my friends that I met in Occidental College. And so many of my favorite memories recently actually have been like linked to them. So I don't regret it. It's not about that. It's not about regretting the decision. It's about the fact that I let someone else choose for me. Like to me, when I was doing my life reflection, and I remembered that moment, and I was telling that story, I was just like, I had a huge like dissonance in me, like a feeling that like gnawed at me, that told me that this is wrong, and I ended up coming up with this oath to never again let that happen. I will not let others choose my path. Very, very simple. Yet, to me, it's very powerful because it describes something in me that I will no longer let happen because of how it felt back then when it did happen. So, that's basically it for that one. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys have ever experienced something similar. I feel like a lot of my creeds, a lot of my oaths are things that can be common experiences. It's just the way I put them is unique to me, the way the specific stories are unique to me. And that's what makes them fun to tell and also strong for me. is that I have an anchor for each of them. Okay, catch you guys in the next one.